Let me win.
Yeah, go for it now.
Alright, so we are installing the ignition cylinder. We already did it, but we're going to show you how you do it. Basically take off all these screws over here. These little ones in the middle, there's 3 of them in the middle. Now you got another 4 bolts to take off in the outer rim. One more flathead right here. I'll take that off real quick. Motor off. And just wiggle this piece off. It's just pressure fit in there. You just pull it all off together. This time it's not as easy as it was last time. Okay. Now here we have to take off this little ring right here. There's a special tool for it that we actually have, but we're not going to use that. So that's the ring. Pull that off. And just pull this guy out like that. And then you're gonna actually have to take this off as well. Alright, now we're in here. I'm going to point to the pin you need out right here. There's a pin right there. It's just pressed in. All you have to do, what I did is just take this nail, thread it in just like that, and then used my hammer, tapped it a few times, and it popped right out. This whole thing will come out. And look, this is the old one right here. You can see the pin right there. All it does, pulls right out after you hit that pin in. You grab your new one without the key in, and then you just slide it right back in. And now you reinstall everything.